Under a bright, sun-drenched sky, three bullocks, black, white, and brown, graze peacefully in a vibrant green field. Sunlight filters through leaves, casting dappled shadows as the bullocks remain close, sharing grass and shade. A hungry lion observes from the forest's edge, its approach thwarted by the bullocks' united front. Beneath the forest's edge, a majestic lion observes two bullocks, their peaceful grazing a stark contrast to the predator's intent. The lion's insidious whisper reaches the black bullock. They whisper behind your back, only keep you around for their own benefit. Doubt clouds the black bullock's eyes, its heart heavy with sadness as it turns away, its steps faltering with each stride. Days later, the bullocks graze alone in the desolate field, a stark contrast to its vibrant past. A lion spots the isolated brown bullock and leaps from the bushes, initiating a deadly chase into the forest. The black bullock watches in horror, realizing the tragic consequences of their distrust.